Bosch has more than 20 manufacturing sites in 10 countries in its thermotechnology division. The Bosch Quality Management System and MTM have been introduced as the international standards for productivity management at the factory in Aveiro in Portugal too. The main business at Aveiro involves the production of instantaneous water heaters, boilers and solar panels to provide hot water. 4,000 instantaneous water heaters leave the production site every day. The factory operates a 3-shift system in order to be able to respond to customer demands in a particularly flexible way. Rui Silva, head of industrial engineering at Bosch Thermotechnologia and an MTM instructor, supported and promoted the introduction of MTM at the Aveiro factory and coordinates all the work as part of the CIP. He knows where things are headed.
We look for waste in the production and then try to remove the waste and improve our efficiency. Other point is to have a flexible time work. We want to extend or reduce the time according to production demand. Our goals for efficiency is to improve 4% each year.
In the pre-assembly department, more than 30% of the workstations have now been analysed, assessed and optimised with MTM. The IE department, with the help of the MTM process language and its functions, has even made good headway in the final assembly division, including the packaging area. Enormous weights have to be moved here, but after an ergo check and appropriately designed workstations, the final units weighing 22 kilos are no longer a problem for the workers. They no longer have to constantly bend down and lift items, distances are much shorter, and the material logistics is clearly separated from final assembly operations, and workers can then focus on their tasks much better. There's another bonus. Only 12 workers are needed here now, instead of 32 in the past. The others can be used for other tasks in a flexible way. Rui Silva believes it's essential to have the workers on board from the start, take them seriously, and use their ideas and suggestions for improvements in daily business operations.
We always involve our employers in our workshops for improvements because we think that they should be part of the solution and not part of the problem.
When it comes to initial and further training for employees, the IE department in Aveiro uses outside expertise like the ATEC training centre in Palmela, a partnership project with VW, Siemens and the German-Portuguese CCI, and its own MTM expertise at the factory.
Within the plant we have 16 MTM1 people with MTM1 training. With YS we have 12 employees, and we have around about 25 other employees with short MTM training. I'm talking about group leaders, supervisors and team leaders. I think we have a MTM culture within our company now.
The industrial engineering and process development teams now work very closely together and very successfully at Bosch Thermotechnologia during all the phases of value creation.